Business today is all about communication, but today there are so many ways to reach out and engage with customers, and working with inferior or outdated telecommunications equipment and systems can affect your company's productivity. Like Ben, manager of a busy sales department who would conference with his overseas representatives every week, but experienced poor quality and dropped calls, resulting in costly miscommunication. Or like Raj, a system administrator whose responsibility was caring for an old PBX system, which took time away from other important IT projects. Or Jenny, an account manager who would greet clients every day, but during meetings had trouble reaching company specialists to answer critical questions the clients asked. Well, all these people, with all their problems, found a single solution: Xinix World. Xinix World is a global telecommunications service provider based in the UK, supplying quality and affordable telecom solutions, and can integrate your PBX system with iPad, PC, iMac through apps, create an auto attendant, hunt groups, call recording, and more. With a relationship network across multiple channels and carriers, featuring some of the world's leading innovators in the telecoms industry, Xinix can design a product just for you that is reliable, cost-effective, flexible, and tailored to your specific needs. With Xinix, Ben never had a drop call again, and Raj could focus on his big IT initiatives, and Jenny had all the information at her fingertips needed to make a sale. Xinix can help you too. Schedule a no-obligation consultation right now.